I still remember the time that we met. The first time that I saw you was in the season of rain. I offered her my umbrella. We walked together under the rain. We went to the coffee shop, getting to know each other. We talked a lot. Enjoyed each other's company when you think of me. Ooh, I can feel the wind when the sky's about to cry. Every time it rains, I should play this music because this the time I remember your face. Every time it rains, I should play this music because this the time I remember your face. The time that we're together, having bonding with each other, sign up forever and enjoying a lot. Hang out with our friends, watching the movies, eating together, and listening to the music. Ooh, I can feel the wind when the sky's about to cry. Every time it rains, I should play this music because this the time I remember your face. Every time it rains, I should play this music because this the time I remember your face. I don't know what really happened, why you walked away. You didn't even tell me why you did this. What have I done? Did I say something wrong to make you this position of yours? Wherever you are, I hope you were happy. Thanks for the time you had been with me. Every drop of rain seems a tear of pain made by your unreasonable action. Ooh, I can feel the wind when the sky's about to cry. Every time it rains, I should play this music because this the time I remember your face. Every time it rains, I should play this music because this the time I remember your face. And every time it rains, I should play this music because this the time I remember your face. Win. Thank you very much. Bye bye.